Hello guys, and today I'll be unboxing Wood Elves, Sisters of Thorn. Oh wait, the lighting is a bit... Alright. I actually don't play Wood Elves, nor do I like elves, but when I saw this box, I'm just gonna open it. I fell in love. I don't know, this might be the thing that takes me into fantasy. So let's open it up. Yeah, and you can also make wild riders with them, which I don't think they look as good as the sisters. Well, who knows? I might convert them to rogue riders. Who knows? Yeah. Well, instructions. You get 5 bases, I think. 5 bases. And then the things you want to see. The spruce. Come on, focus. Like that. Good. Yeah, oh, that's a nice piece right there. If anyone plays Wood Elves or whatever, are these guys good in the tabletop? Because I really like their mounts. The bodies, at least here, they're not the best, to be honest. But maybe it's because, you know, I'm a xenophobe. That's a cool helmet though. Yeah, so you get, I think you get 3 sprues and 2 of them are the same, I think. Let's see. Yeah, I think you get 2 of the same sprue. No, you get 3. Alright, sorry, I get 3 different sprues. And like I said, this is the first sprue, which is mostly bodies, and that's 1 stag. This is the second sprue. Yeah, the shields are meh. They're decent, yeah, the thing I really like about this kit are the stags. Or the reindeers, or whatever they are. They're amazing. But yeah, this is what you get. And do I think they're good? I don't know, I haven't played them. I haven't painted them. They look easy to assemble. But I'm not really a fan of the bodies. The only reason why I bought this was because of the stags. Yeah, I guess I give it a C or a B. Goodbye, guys.